Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music to your YouTube video. Well, this is really easy. So let's say this is a video here. First of all, you have to just go to the video analytics, and once you're here you have to go to the editor section. Now once you're in the editor section, if you're doing it for the first time, you will get to see something like this. So you have to just go and click on get started. Now, for example, that I want to add music to the whole video, no need to do anything. For example, you want to add a certain part of the video to the music, right? So I will just select this part. I will just go and click on add here, right? And this is a music part, right? So as you can see here, the video frames is going on. So for example, too, there's a lot of option here. You can just stream and cut, blur, audio, and screen, and a lot of right? So here I'll just go and click on audio here. Now once I go and click on audio here, you can see a lot of music is coming up. That is your music and it's completely copyright free. But you can always go and click on audio library and you can choose according to you what music you want to like to put on. Right, so it's really easy. You will get a short tutorial here, so you can just go and click on download if you want to use it in your editing, in the editing software, or you can just go and select any one of them. So let's say that I like this one. As you can see here, it's available here. So I will just go and click on add. So here the music has been added and I can just go and adjust the mix level. For example, how much the volume should be, right? So the audio should be a little bit low, and if I just go and click on the three dots, it will show me the license info and I can just remove it, right? I can just go and put it anywhere. I can add a lot of music and I can just do the mix up, right? If I want to make it short, I can always drag it up like this. So it's really easy, and once everything is done, you have to just go and click on save. Now here it says it might take a few hours to change the apply. So just go and click on save and you will see one thing. Let me take you to my content section, and here you will able to see that it is still in processing, right? So it will take up to 2 or 3 hours. So make sure that you make your video as a private, and once the music has been added, you can make it public, right? So it's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.